Okay, hey guys, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be teaching you how to make DIY floaty sun. So I have an example that what I'm going to be make. So it's a really cool, fluffy, really fluffy slime, and it's really easy to make. So yeah, let's just get straight onto the video. Okay. So the ingredients you'll be needing to make this DIY is some PVA glue. And you can use white or clear, but white works really good. And you're also going to be needing some water, just to make it like a little bit more stretchier. So I'm just going to use this little water. You'll also be needing the main ingredient, shaving cream. Okay. Yeah. And then you'll also be needing some activator, and I'm just using this magic liquid one. And this one's really easy and it's really hard to mess up. So that's why I will be using this one. And and you're also needing a. Why is everything falling? Oh boy, but to make it slurp in. And a mixing potato. So, boil plant and it. Something happening. Oh my gosh, okay. Now, pause. Okay. Sorry, some stuff. So first, here, I'm gonna put this down a little bit so I can see it. You can't see my face, but I'm gonna just go like this and you can see. So here's bowl plate, bowl plate, and stencil. So I'm just gonna add in my PVA glue, and I have a huge gallon. Oh my gosh, I'm pouring it in a weird way. Okay, glue button. Okay, I'm just gonna go low so you can see it. So here is our PVA glue. You can't see it because it's way below, but you kind of see it. You can kind of see it. There you go. There it goes. Okay. And I'm gonna add my shaving cream, the main ingredient. Well, actually, glue and shaving cream is the main ingredient. And what's it called? Activator. It's the main ingredient because you can't. Well, I guess you can if you're making like no glue slime, but you can't really make slime without activator and glue. And well, all the recipes that I try, no glue never works. It's like a puppy. So there's my shaving cream. This one you can see. This lighting is so bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix. Oh, before I add my water. Let's add this in. There we go. You can't really see it. Okay, and I'm just gonna mix it all together. And I'm gonna play some music while I'm mixing it, so you're not bored looking at my background of my basketball. Okay, so. I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'll be back. I'm gonna be playing the song through the whole video. So. And if you're wondering what this song is called, I will link it in the description below. So yeah. So I am done. I am mixing, or I'm all done mixing. That's what it's like. Okay, so yeah. Then once you're all done with that, you're on your activator. Okay, so it's coming together a lot.
Why can't I dunk? Am I not in it? He can't dunk? Oh, I didn't, like, for real he can't dunk?
Or what's it called? NBA 2K something. Okay, so it's all coming together. I'm just gonna mix this and play more music. It's all good.
Why did I want to bounce?
Some more activity. If you know what the song is, comment down below. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so I have mixed it. It's still sticky though, but I'm just gonna place it in my hands. It's like not that sticky, but it is sticky. So one tip is if you put activator on your hands, it doesn't really stick that much. Oh wow, that was really fast. You guys can't hear that. Okay, there we go. Now that I can hear, nothing in there. Oh my. It feels so. It feels like shaving cream, but in slime form. That's basically what the fuck is that? It feels like shaving cream, but it has like a bit of slime.
Oh my gosh. Wait, we're only playing the...
It's good. It's amazing. What? It's playing another song. Just go on. Okay, no thank you. No. Okay, so you can see my eyes got to it though. I'm gonna add just a tad bit more because like it's a little bit sticky. Okay. Oh, you can see everything.
Is that really a thing?
You can't see the blue bottle. It's everything else.
Okay, go ahead.
When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's amazing. So it's like feels like a cloud literally. It feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna get this out of the thing. Oh, I'm so bored. There's nothing to do. I just need time because it's quarantine. I got nothing. There's nothing to do. Not going to school. So it feels like a rainbow cloud. Rainbow fluffy cloud. And look how good that is. I really recommend you making this because like it's like a dream. It's like a fluffy unicorn dream. Once you follow these, like if I made like a regular slime without the water, it like turns, it's basic. And then once you add the water, it does something that makes it so amazing. Mom, I miss
Beach get twice with the
Mom.
Come away.
Okay, Judy, shut up. She beats.
Nope.
There's no.
I beat you twice.
And I hope that is.
Boom.
Okay.
Sorry, Ella. I didn't realize you were making a video.
You shake your butt. You didn't. I told you I was making a video, Mom.
Mila, no one cares. No one's gonna watch it.
La la la, shut up. That looks bad. Athen, shut up. Oh no, there's other videos. It's like the slime bag. Okay, so it's super, super duper fluffy. So amazing. So amazing. Oh, okay, so I'm all finished with making this slime. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time for some more videos. See you next time. Bye.